Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatriya Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. The Punjab Real Estate Regulatory Authority the authority close on 19 February, held that the existence of an arbitration clause or a statutory bar under state law does not oust its jurisdiction under the Real Estate Regulation and Development close Act, 2016, and that in the absence of a valid completion certificate and completion of development works, an allotee is entitled to refund with interest for delay in handing over possession. Full stop. Stanza. The RERA, comprising member Binod Kumar Singh, directed the Bathinda Development Authority to refund rupees 13.25 lakh along with interest at 10.80% to Gora Singh (the complainant) for failure to deliver possession of the allotted plot within the stipulated time. Full stop. The authority held para double quoted at the very outset. It is concluded that none of the legal issues raised by the respondents have any merit. Full stop. The Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Land Limited versus Aftab Singh Civil Appeals number 23512-23513 of 2017 held that mere presence of an arbitration clause does not preclude the jurisdiction of this authority. Full stop. Double quoted clause. Stanza. The complainant had applied in December 2013 for a 150 square yard freehold residential plot under a scheme launched by the respondents at Mansa at rupees 7,000 per square yard and deposited rupees 1.05 lakh as 10% earnest money. Full stop. A letter of intent was thereafter issued demanding 15% amounting to rupees 1.57 lakh, which he paid on 22/4/2014. Full stop. Stanza. An allotment letter dated 6 July, 2016 was issued allotting plot number 213. Full stop. The complainant paid the entire sale consideration of rupees 13.25 lakh. Full stop. Stanza. As per the scheme and the allotment terms, possession was to be delivered within 18 months from the date of allotment or upon completion of development works, whichever was earlier. Full stop. Possession was thus due by 5 January, 2018. Full stop. However, the respondents failed to complete the project and hand over possession. Full stop. Stanza. The complainant alleged that even after several years the project remained incomplete and that basic amenities such as water, electricity and sewage had not been provided. Full stop. He further stated that the respondents had admitted deficiencies in earlier appellate proceedings and that similar matters had been allowed by the authority and upheld by the appellate tribunal. Full stop. Despite repeated requests, the respondents refused to refund the amount and no completion certificate had been issued. Full stop. Stanza. At the outset, the authority rejected the legal objections raised by the respondents. Full stop. Relying on the decision of the Supreme Court in Land Limited versus Aftab Singh, it held that the existence of an arbitration clause does not oust the jurisdiction of the authority. Full stop. Stanza. With respect to the completion certificate, the authority noted that the respondents admitted did not possess a completion certificate for the project, full stop. It held that RERA 2016, being a central legislation, would prevail over any conflicting state law and that obtaining a completion certificate is mandatory under RERA, full stop. It held regarding the non-availability of the completion certificate within bracket CC is concerned, it is true that the respondent does not have a CC for this project, full stop. The reliance placed by the respondents on Section 44 of the PAPR Act also cannot be accepted. Full stop. A completion certificate is a requirement under the Act of 2016, which is a central legislation and has to prevail in case of conflict with a state law. Full stop. Stanza. Referring to sections 88 and 89 of RERA, the authority observed that the Act operates in addition to other laws and has an overriding effect in case of inconsistency. Full stop. Accordingly, the plea that Section 174 of the Punjab Regional and Town Planning and Development Act 1995 barred the jurisdiction of the authority was rejected. Full stop. Stanza. On merits, the authority noted that the respondents relied on certain certificates indicating partial oblig partial completion of civil, public health, and electrical works to the extent of 95%, 80%, and 75% respectively. Full stop. However, these certificates had been issued by divisional engineers who were not competent to issue completion certificates. Full stop. The photographs placed on record also did not establish completion of the project. Full stop. Stanza. The authority found that the respondents had failed to rebut the complainant's consistent stand that the development works were incomplete and the project was not in a habitable condition. Full stop. Stanza. Accordingly, it directed a refund of rupees 13.25 lakh along with interest at 10.80%. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट्स रिलेटेड टू स्टेनो एंड स्टेनो डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।